Guys, let me introduce you to another awesome technical indicator for the MetaTrader 5 platform called the average daily range. You can download this indicator absolutely free from the link in the description of this video. So why might you need this technical indicator? Let's go over to my platform. I'll show you everything right now. Guys, this is what the indicator looks like on the price chart. Using historical price data for this asset, the indicator calculates the average daily volatility, which is shown here in points for the specified asset, in this case, for gold. And the indicator sets these levels here. For example, if from the daily candle's opening price we reach this level, it means the asset has covered 50% of its daily range. If it reaches here, it means it has reached 100% of its volatility. This is the average daily value. Of course, there are days when important macroeconomic news is released and the daily range increases. For example, instead of 100%, it goes beyond these 100% and say the asset covers 150% of its average daily range in points. So in this way, we can understand where the price is most likely potentially to reach. This is very useful for setting take-profit orders. We can't, for example, place a take-profit order if we're trading on sell somewhere here, because that's way beyond the intraday volatility range of this asset. Of course, it's better to set the take-profit somewhere around here, without reaching 100% of the volatility. And even better, at the 50% level, which the price is most likely to reach with almost 100% certainty, so to speak. You can set stop losses in exactly the same way. And you can also use these levels to calculate the best points for averaging. For example, if we're trading on buy and the price, let's say, has turned here and is currently moving down. But we see that there's an uptrend here. And if we're choosing a level to average out, then it's probably best to set it at 50%. And if you have a more long-term system, then it's better to set it at 100%. This way, it will be the most optimal option for averaging because these levels are calculated by the average daily volatility indicator and they have their own important mathematical significance.